Hello, my dear little children. Welcome back to my class. Hope you all are in good health. In our today's class, we are going to do some exercises on three-letter E sound words. So children, let's get started. Dear children, please take out your copy and at the top corner write today's date. And children, now let us read the heading to understand the instruction. As I always say, we should always read the heading and understand the instruction, then we should do our work. Right children? So children, please read with me. R-E-D. All of you say loudly after me. A-R-R. A-N-G-E. Arrange. Rearrange. T-H the. A-L-L. P-H-A fa. B-E-T-S bets. Alphabets. Rearrange the alphabets. T-O-2. M-A-K-E make. N-E-W new. W-O-R D-S words. A-N-D and. M-A-T-C-H match. W-I-T-H with. T-H-E the. P-I-C pick. T-U-R-E-S chairs pictures. Rearrange the alphabets to make new words and match with the pictures. So children, this one we have already done it earlier, right? So we know how we have to do it. Now children, let us start. First, what we have to do? We have to rearrange the alphabets. And then with that word, we have to match the pictures. So now let us do it. Our first word is G-A-B. Can you tell me what word we can make from these alphabets? Yes, it has been given here in jumbled way. So here we can write B-A-G. Beg. B-A-G. Beg. Now children, let us find out the picture of beg. So this one is big? No. Then this one is big? Again no. Then this one is big? Yes, you are right. So here beg is in number 1. Beg is in number 1. We have to write number 1 beside this picture. Now children, do not draw lines. You all are big enough. Okay? So do not draw lines for matching. You just do number matching. Do number matching. Do not draw lines. Okay children? Now the next one. P-G-E. P-G-A. Now P-G-A. What word we can make with this? We can make P-A-G. Peg. We can make P-A-G. Peg. Now children, please help me to find out the picture of peg. This one? No. Then this one? No, this is also not a peg. Then this one? No. Then? Yes, this one is peg. Now let us find out peg is in which number? Peg is in number 2. So here beside this picture we will write number 2 and we will make a circle. Okay? So in this way we will do it. Number 1 and 2 I have done it for you. Number 3, number 4 and number 5. Again I repeat, number 3, 4 and 5. Please do it by yourself. Now children, please take out another page. Let us do one more exercise today. Then on its heading, write, let us read it together. Okay, first let us read it, then understand the instruction. Okay, CIR, sir. CLE, circle. THE, the. BEGI, NNING, beginning. SOUND, sound. OF, off. THE, the. GIVEN, given. PIC, pic. TURDS, chairs, pictures. Circle the beginning sound of the given pictures. So children, what we have to do? First we have to see the picture. Then we have to say the name of that picture. Then we will circle its beginning sound. Beginning sound means sound which comes at first. Sound which comes first. We will circle that sound only. Okay. Now number 1. Tell me children, which picture is it? It's a picture of a den. Very good. DEN, den. And now let us say it with sounds. D-A-N-A, den. D-A-N-A, den. Now children, the sound of D is this one? No. Then this one. Yes. D sounds D. D sounds D. So den, den, den. Den starts with D. So the sound of D is D. So we will circle D. Now the next one, number 2. What is this children? Yes, it's an egg. An egg. The sound of egg is egg, egg. EGG, egg. Egg, egg. Egg, egg. Now, children, tell me, what is the beginning sound that we are pronouncing? Right? The sound is So here, G sounds No. Then E sounds Yes. Very good. So here we will circle Egg starts with egg. Egg. Now, number 1 and 2 I have done it for you. Number 3, number 4 and number 5 you do it by yourself. Okay.